Check it out. In with the new, out with the old. Old technology, that is. Let's check it out what we got going on today. All right, guys, we're here in downtown Austin. Got a Goodman 14 SEER condenser powering an evaporator coil and a gas furnace in the attic of this 2-story house here in central Austin. We're going to be replacing all this equipment with some Mitsubishi heat pumps. That's right, for the upstairs we're going to have a multi-position air handler ducted for all the bedrooms upstairs, and for downstairs we're doing right around the corner here a little stack of line set covers. We got an MXC 3C24 that's going to be doing 2 ductless mini splits for the downstairs areas. You got a bedroom and a living room kitchen open floor concept. We're gonna have to run some line sets down from the soffit. We'll use the existing connect for this condenser. We'll have to add power for the 3C Charlie multi-zone. Off to the scrapyard for you, buddy. Ready to go here. We've got all our site protection. We're gonna have a ductless mini split on that wall. This is the lower level. Coming up here, we got all the site pro prepped out. All right, check it out. Goodman furnace, 80% with a cooling coil. Ripping this crap out. I'm gonna be putting a VRF heat pump by Mitsubishi Electric. Putting in a nice plenum, stretching out all these flux ducts, making them way better. 24-hour pressure test. Alright guys, all done with this change out from 80% gas furnace to heat pump by Mitsubishi. There's our old flue pipe. We'll probably use that for fresher on a dehumidifier for next year on this project. Gas capped off. Got rid of that old Goodman dinosaur, which actually wasn't even that old. It was only a 1.5 years old, but still. Here we go, guys. Thanks for watching.